Good morning, everyone. Today we gather here to celebrate a very special day, Independence Day. On this day, August 15th, we remember and honor the day when our country gained freedom from British rule in 1947. Our freedom was not easy to achieve. Many brave people like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Bhagat Singh worked hard and made many sacrifices. They fought for our rights and for a better future for all of us. Independence Day is a time to reflect on their sacrifices and to be grateful for the freedom we enjoy today. It is also a time to think about how we can contribute to our country and make it a better place. As we celebrate, let's remember that freedom comes with responsibilities. We must respect each other, work hard, and help build a strong and united nation. Let's honor our heroes by being good citizens and by working towards a brighter future for everyone. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.